Olivia here, and for today's video, let's do a general reading for you. Especially if you're someone na kakalipat mo lang sa isang bagong lugar. Like, new city, new country, ayun, and new house. Ayun, this is for all zodiac signs. Let's see what's the guided messages for you around your life. But before tayo mag-proceed, I would like to say thank you so much sa mga naka-follow, naka-subscribe, at nagko-comment, nag-iiwan ng kanilang feedback sa ating mga social media accounts. And if you are interested sa zodiac sign only tarot reading, paki-follow po ang ating YouTube channel kung saan doon po ako nag-upload ng mga zodiac sign contents. So yeah, see you there, and of course don't forget to follow my other social media accounts. May mga pa-surprise free readings ako doon and other good stuff. So yeah, see you there, and let's focus on this. Again, this is a general reading for you. Let's see kung anong meron dito. 8 of Swords. I can also see for some of you guys, meron significance dito ang buhok, or specifically kapag ikaw ay nagpakat or may planong magpagupit ng buhok, this video might be for you. 6 of Cups, King of Cups, 5 of Pentacles, 10 of Wands. What else? Okay. 10 of Swords. Wait. 10 tens and 5s. The Chariot. Page of Cups. 10 of Cups, another tens. Or 10 rather. 3 of Swords. 8 of Wands. Hindi niyo makita yung cards. But anyway, let's fix this po muna, ha? Ang lakas ng energy dito na may bagong lipat, bagong something new, bagong location, bagong offer, bagong job position. Ayun. Pero pinakamalakas talaga yung location. Maybe bago ka sa office, sa work, or sa bahay na yan. Uy, Ace of Pentacles pagkabanggit ko ng bahay. Queen of Swords, 3 of Pentacles. Lastly, we have here 7 of Wands. Alright. Again, this is for general reading, and lalo na kung ikaw ay bagong lipat, may planong maglipat, very important or significant dito ang word or ang paggalaw, like paglilipat, bagong location. Ayun. Baka may messages dito for you, advice. Ayun. And yun ang una ko nakita, aside sa merong movements dito. I can also feel yung sudden or biglaang pag uh, pagkaramdam mo ng panic. Parang naglipat ka because of an emergency. Though hindi ako nagre-read ng health issues, pero for some of you here, there is this personal battle siya eh. Parang meron ditong energy na may mga may mga kinimkim ka ng matatagal mo ng pasan at saka kimkim. Nagkaroon ng conflict or parang may pumitik sa utak mo na parang wait lang, this is my last straw na. I have to move, to change. And for some of you here, very significant dito ang relationship, romantic relationship. Pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng hiwalayan ng partner mo. Kaya napa-move out ka sa place niya or napa-move out si partner from your place. Pero at the same time, meron ako nakita intuitively, parang na-shock ka sa support ng family mo na despite sa pagkakaroon mo ng distant sa kanila kasi medyo nagkaroon ka din ng problema sa money at nagtatago ka sa iyong family or hindi naman nagtatago in a bad way pero dinidistansya mo kasi nakakaramdam ka na parang sobrang bigat na parang hindi ko muna ma-accommodate yung mga problema ng pamilya ko now. Pero nung nagkaroon ng sudden change of location or biglaang pagbabago ng iyong environment, your family is there. This family or this person is there to really save you. Meron din ako nakikita dito, for some of you, very mahalaga ang female energy, female friendship, ayun. And for others of you here, after ng sudden decision na yun, ng pag-move out mo, mas nakaramdam ka ng pagluwag sa finances mo, sa career mo, especially that you are now opening your mind to this new mindset, new ideas, nakikipag-collaborate ka na rin or nakikipagtulungan ka na rin. For some of you here, although you are moving into something better, lalo na sa career mo, magkakaroon ng bagong position for you. But especially if you are someone na into mentor or may tinuturo ka, nagtuturo ka, or you are someone na sa job mo very or highlighted ang group of people like sharing your knowledge, sharing your experiences, your personal and professional experiences. Ayun, very significant yun. Kahit na hindi ka pa ganun ka-okay in terms of your emotions, hindi mo muna tinutuon yung energies mo doon eh. You are carrying that heartbreak while trying to survive or trying to gain or earn from these professions or from this passion of yours. Kaya medyo nagkakaroon ka rin ng medyo nagiging defensive or nagiging clear ka na sa actions mo. Hindi ka na mas madalas magsabi ng nararamdaman or iniisip mo. Perhaps, mas nagpo-focus ka na sa iyong action. Mas pinapakita mo na, mas ine-express mo na siya rather than, yun nga, dinadaan mo sa pakikipag-usap. But the great thing here or the energies here is, ayun, there is growth and there is also freedom. Ayun nga, very significant kung ang tanong mo ay makakalipat ka ba or maganda ba sa lilipatan mo. I heard agencies, positions, it's a yes ang sagot doon. You're just you're just you are just cautious when it comes to this decision, and that's good. You have to be collaborative when it comes to this um blessings. Maging open ka, maging collaborative ka. Also, learn how to adopt and be a student kahit ikaw kahit madalas ka mapunta before sa posisyon na ikaw yung nagtuturo. Kasi meron akong nakikita dito na pwede kang maging student ulit, or maybe you're planning to uh, ayun nga, mag-aral, pag-aralan, pero malakas ang energy dito na ikaw ay pwedeng maging student ulit to really gain this position. So, this is your reading for today. I hope nakatulong sa'yo, nakakuha ka ng idea, clarity, and advice. And yeah, see you next video. Bye!